Pietta 1861 Navy percussion cap problems have been solved in the most prosaic way possible. So it all started when I was shooting 44s in my garage, gallery loads, using number 11 caps. I finally got a 36, started shooting using number 11 caps, and I started having chain fires. I was getting chain fires every other cylinder or so, back every other shot or so. So I switched to number 10s. I bought a cap maker from Auto Reloader, made them with Primol. Problem went away, completely went away. Always the adjacent cylinder would go off to the one being fired. So we moved. It took about 10 months to get into a new place to start shooting again. I started shooting, no problem. This mainspring broke. Now I replaced it, and I noticed that the new spring was 47 thousandths versus the old spring, which was very hard to pull cock, was 62 thousandths. So now I'm getting failures to fire. So I'm still using the number 10s. Now I'm getting failures to fire. So I did a bunch of videos, shaved the hammer sides, shaved the channel, polished the internals. Nothing worked. Then I realized I'm supposed to be shooting number 11s with this. So what was happening was the original spring was so hard, the hammer was so hard hitting, it was overcoming the number 10's ability to seat on the nipple. That's what was overcoming it. And conversely, using number 11s, the hit was so hard, the flash was jumping over to the other primer cap. So that's what all I can figure. So I'm using number 11s, that solved the problem. As far as the sight goes, I deepened the channel from my last video. I'm all the way down to that ledge. Now at 9 yards, putting it sight picture halfway down the channel. I'm plus or minus 1 inch from point of aim at 9 yards. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm not happy with the group size. I think this needs a little more velocity to get a tighter group. I'm going to try 20 grains of Pirate XP at 19 yards. Right now I'm using 10 grains, 777. I may have to go up higher than 20 grains to get this thing dialed in at 19 yards. Anyway, that is what's going on with Pietta, and I'm so happy that the percussion cap problem is over. But it was an interesting journey, and hopefully I learned something, and hopefully you learned a little bit also. So thank you for watching Mark Target at blackpowderyard.com, associated with my blog, blackpowderyard.com. Thank you.